Robin's over there. We want to be over there.
Let's go.
8 in the morning. I'm feeling 7 out of 10. Robin feels
10 out of 10. First time under the arches.
first time under the arches. First time on Universal Studios this trip. We're just getting a little peek at some of the Halloween stuff. What are you feeling like, Robin?
Spooky.
Rope drop Jimmy Fallon said no one ever. Fast and Furious rope drop rides, come on! Okay, first ride of the day, actually Revenge of the Mooma.
Turns out, Revenge of the Mummy is spooky. Fire Bunda Ross.
Revenge of the Mummy. It's actually pretty cool. A bit of a nut squasher. It's cool, they pretend it's done and then you're like, oh my gosh, no, it's the evil guy. He's blowing fire in your face. And then you're like, footage. So that's the car that you're saying. No, fire doesn't go footage.
Well, nothing in the ride.
Nah, the car would go footage. Swag. First time in Diagon Alley this trip. Well, that's they know. Diagon Alley is actually based on a real street in the UK. I live next to it. You can get the finest banger sandwiches from the Leaky Cauldron. 4 minutes it took us to get on because we did the old tricky trick of getting in the single rider line. We wouldn't normally do it, but
we've never done it.
We've literally never done it once, but we decided, fuck it.
We're gonna do it.
The queue looks mad long. We didn't see anyone going single rider. We were like, let's just give it a go. Let's just see what it's like. We've done the queue's amazing. We didn't want to skip it really, but we were like, let's just give it a go. And it took us 4 minutes. We walked straight on. First car. It's 2 single riders, please. Brilliant. That's us. On and off. Now 60-minute wait. So, you enjoy the queue. We're going to enjoy some more rides. Hey, how you doing?
Yeah, well, go on, welcome.
You know, they're from England as well.
Oh, yeah, they're locals, fine, they do.
Yeah, we
Everybody
know.
else come up to this bus, they American. I'm from the glove box. You know. Sometimes when I go on vacation, I go to the overhead compartments.
Makes sense.
So what brings you to the bus? Did you need a lift somewhere?
So we wanted to see if you could pick up my friend Emma.
Where am I?
Where is she?
She's in the UK still. At
She's
the
in
minute.
Northampton.
She's in Northampton.
Northampton.
Yeah.
But, you know, she needs to get to Diagon Alley. Next 10 minutes.
We don't have a driver. He's sort of stuck in there.
Can the head not drive?
Is he a
I'm not even driving this conversation.
You could grab a photo with you now, and then once our driver
yeah.
comes back, we'll go pick her up, all right?
Perfect.
Just wave. Just wave.
Just
You
wave.
can't just wave.
Northampton.
Hi,
I can't
Emma.
wave
Hi,
until you-
Emma.
We'll pick you up soon. Just waiting on the
Okay.
driver.
Do you remember all the little secrets to this?
No.
Me neither, so she does. She's lying. Just got through Ride Rocket. Going into Robin's favourite attraction, Fast and the Furious. We family. We family. We family. Because we family. Just got an odd walk to make. Where you off to? What stop you got, Robin?
Hogsmeade.
Slagsmead. That's pretty cool, isn't it? We've made it. Bloody Hogsmeade. We're wizards now.
Hurry up.
Late for class. How else am I gonna get that A? I hope I get the D. And then an A. D and the A. Here for vibes and rides. I got all the chicken. This is Robin getting ready. Back at it again for a cheeky afternoon at Volcano Bay. This is a sight that you can never get bored of, even on a grey day. It's never a dull day at Volcano Bay.
Just walk down to the beach, sneak away for a second, stretch my legs, get some time, just hanging out. Taking punch for lunch is always a great idea.
This Volcano Bay rum punch is our favourite.
1 and 2.
Thank you very much.
Amazing.
Oh.
Thank you.
Oh, hello everyone. I bet you're wondering, why aren't I seeing people have a great time at Volcano Bay? I've got my GoPro. We just came back to the room. And we were like, fuck, tomorrow is a big day. We are in the parks till 2 AM. About 4 o'clock, some kids were up in the Fearless River, so they evacuated everybody. We went away for like half an hour, came back at like 25 to. It was still closed, and we were like, well, can't be asked to do anything else, we'll just sit and chill in the sun. And then literally, 20 minutes ago, they were like, cool, well, we're reopened. So me and Robin grabbed our life vest, jumped in, did a whole lap. As the only 2 people in the entire Fearless River in Volcano Bay. And you could tell all the lifeguards are looking at us like mad pissed off, like we close in 15 minutes. No, Luke and Robin might need saving. We're in our room now. We've ordered some chicken, we're gonna eat some chicken.
My chip.
Yeah, I've got like 5 chips too.
And there's no fucking mayo. I paid extra. Give me a wing.
It's good stuff.
That's painful.
That is my entire chip portion. That just doesn't look very. Oh look, 50% of my chips have just disappeared. Sandwich looks really nice though. So Robin's fucked it. All the chicken she's had, she's not really a fan of. My chicken burger, it's banging. It's got a really cool sauce to it, which I enjoy. Chips, I bet they'd be good if they were hot. Popeyes, it's a make piece. 8 out of 10. What are you saying?
7.
Oh, that's just above average. That's not a bad score, Robin. That's a good score. Give it another attempt. You know, it might have been a bad night. Maybe try it in store next time so they get it delivered. See you in the AMs.